With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's begin with the question. And in this question it says that two stars, each of mass capital M and radius capital R, they are approaching each other for a head-on collision, and they start approaching each other when they are at a separation of small r, where small r is very large than the capital R. Now if their speed at this separation are negligible, that means that if speed is negligible, that means kinetic energy at this separation will be 0, and v is the speed with which they colloid would be. So we have to calculate the speed with which they colloid each other. So let us understand this by using a diagram. Suppose these are the two stars, and here they are approaching each other, and initially they are at a distance of small r. So if we write down the equation of energy and apply the conservation of energy, first we write down by conservation of energy. So by that, initial energy will be calculated. Now initially it is already mentioned in the question that their velocity is negligible. So since the velocity is negligible, that means the kinetic energy of the first mass and the second mass is 0. Now talking about the potential energy, so potential energy between them will be equal to capital G into mass of the first star into mass of the second star and divided by distance between them. That gives us minus G m square by small r. Say this is equation 1. Now in second case, when they are almost or they colloid, let's say this is the initial one and let's say this is the other one. Now here they have colloided. Now when they have colloided, their center to center distance will be this one, and here both are moving with velocity v to each other. Let's say this is moving towards right and this is moving towards left. So now here the final energy will be EF, and this will be equal to kinetic energy of the first mass of a star into kinetic energy of the second mass, and this is G into m square by, since it is given that the radius of them is r, so this is r and this is r, so total distance will be 2r. So here the final energy that came out is capital M v square minus G into capital M square by 2r. Now by law of conservation of energy, final energy EF is equal to initial energy. So with this, mv square will be equal to minus G into capital M square by 2r, and this is equal to minus G into capital M square by 2 into small r. Further, we can cancel m on all the sides. So this is, so from here v square, and it is equal to G into capital M by 2r minus G into capital M by 2 into small r. So v will be equal to, if we take common, if we take gm as common, gm, it is root of 1 by 2r minus 1 by 2 into small r. So this is the final value that we have obtained, and when we matches with the option, we can say that option 2 is the right answer of this question, which says v is equal to capital root of capital gm into, in the bracket, 1 by 2r minus 1 by r. One thing is there, it is not 2r, this is just r here, it is just r as we have wrote here, so it is just r. So this is the option 2, which is the right answer of this question. So this is about this question. Thank you for watching.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.